Hi, I'm Charmed. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am currently a program administrator, and on my channel I will be posting videos about food, beauty, lifestyle, inspiration, and many more every single Tuesday and Friday. You will be inspired one video at a time. Be sure to subscribe for my new content and turn on the bell notification so you won't miss my uploads. Remember to comment down below to introduce yourself. I'm looking forward to having you on this journey with me. Meet you on the inside. Thanks for being a part of the Inspiring Charm family. Guys, how are you today? I'm going to be doing some Escovitch fish for you today. So what I have here are my vegetables for my Escovitch sauce and my vinegar. Now, and these are my fish. Yes, some red snapper, guys. I have an onion, carrot, Scotch pepper. So guys, I'm going to start by preparing our seasoning for you. And I'm going to go ahead and slice and cut those properly for you. Guys, this is how we do our fish at Easter time in Jamaica. So I'm going to speed up this part for you and come back when I'm done. Now on to the pepper, guys. Remember, you want to be careful with this because it can burn you in your eyes or on all those sensitive areas. Guys, remember to like, share, tell me what you do in your country when it comes on to Easter. I know for the Caribbean countries, we do consume a lot of fish during this time. So what I'm going to be adding now are a few grains of pimento. Yes, guys. Yes, so I'm going to go ahead and fry up those for you. This is how we do our fish at Easter time. Alright, my lovely people. So in frying your fish, you can always use onions in your oil or garlic. That will help to reduce the fish scent in your house. Or you can go ahead and in a separate pot have some vanilla, water, and lime skin or orange peel boiling at the same time. So if you look over there, I have my little pot boiling with my vanilla, water, and some orange peel. So in this pot here, I'm going to go ahead and make my Escovitch sauce. Alright, so first thing I'm going to be adding to this is 1 cup of vinegar. So guys, you want to add your vinegar to your pot. Ensure it's 1 cup of vinegar. This is what? So that was 2/3 and I had 1/4 cup more. Yeah. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add my seasoning to this and allow it to come to a quick boil. Get your wooden spoon and stir that. You can do it in a bigger pot too, it's up to you. So I want this to be ready. By the time my fish is ready, I'll have it to put over it. Alright guys, so I'm going to allow that to cook for about a minute or two. I'm going to go on over there and cook my fish. Start frying my fish. Alright guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and take out these onions. They have already served their purpose. So I'm going to go ahead and take this out. Alright, now I'm going to go in with my fish. Ensure that you get yourself a paper towel to dry the excess water from your fish. You don't want it to splatter in your face. Go ahead and lower that in your pot. And just squeeze it like this. This will take off the excess water. I'm going to allow those two to fry, guys. Come back and show you the others. Going to be checking on my sauce now. Remember guys, you're not cooking this. You're just blanching them with the vinegar and for about a minute or so. So now I'm going to turn this off. This is what I'm going to put over my fish when I'm done. Guys, you want to ensure that your fish are fried dry, really dry, so that when you apply the coating on it, it should be good. So now I'm going in to turn over my fish. I prefer using a tongue because it's easier to manage. So guys, you want to remove your fish from the pot. You want to put it in a mesh basket, or you can put it in a plate lined with paper towel just to absorb the excess oil. And I'm going to repeat the process. I'm going to go ahead and fry the other fish, then I'll plate these for you. So that's how they look, really dry and nice. So guys, this is where you're going to take your vinegar mixture. You're going to sprinkle it over the fish. Now you're going to line the fish with your onion and carrot as well. So guys, there you have it, my Escovitch fish with my vinegar, carrot and onion with a bit of pimento and Scotch bonnet pepper to make the sauce. So you're gonna keep it like that. What you can also do is store the leftover sauce in a jar after it is properly cool, and you can add it to any fish meals that you have created. Guys, remember to like, share, leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think about this dish or this meal idea, and let me know how you have done your Escovitch fish in your country, and share that with me. Bye for now. It's your girl Inspiring Charm. Remember to tune in every Tuesday and Friday for my new videos. Bye. Remember to love, teach and inspire.